Some big news on Tesla this morning. The company announcing that 5-for-1 stock split. And earlier this morning, our friend Jim Cramer, this is what he tweeted. He says, "I've urged every one of the CEOs with the big dollar amount stocks to split. Someone listening." Let's get to CNBC's headquarters right now to get Jim Cramer's take on that right now. Jim, you have been encouraging CEOs to do it. The stock looks like it's up like some $15 billion in market cap just on that stock split news, when I've made the argument that nothing actually really changed. It does make it easier, obviously, for some investors to get access to the stock. But how should investors think about these splits?
You're so right. I mean, it is without a doubt chimerical that it creates any wealth. I just think that something's changed in America. We've got a lot of younger people who want to buy. This fractional share thing really hasn't taken off. To get a chance to own Tesla, psychologically, they feel like it would be better to have a smaller amount, as like Apple. Any value in the stock that's created by this is false. But I think the idea of getting newer, younger people involved in the stock market who aren't just brainwashed to put money into index funds is terrific, Andrew. Enough time has passed, 20 years has passed since the dot-com. You could say that the dot-com people, once again, a new generation are in, and they're very uninformed. I think it's up to us to inform them. And we can be a critical voice for them. Right. But no, it shouldn't create wealth, but it can create new people coming in. And boy, do we ever need that, Andrew. You know that this business has been ossified and that we were becoming dinosaurs. And now young people want to be in because they think they can pick stocks. And many of them can.
Right. No, it's very true. It's very true.
Isn't it encouraging? Don't you meet young people who want to be in now? And isn't it great?
They do. No, it's very exciting. It's very exciting that they want to be in. And I think, this is what we've been waiting for a long time, because a lot of people, unfortunately, missed out the last 10 years during this period. Of course, we also have to hope that they get educated on this stuff and get educated because of people like you, Jim, who educate them about making the right decisions. And
you, come on. They listen. They listen to you. Maybe they buy before the opening. They say, listen, I hear that they're not really a lot of wealth created Tesla. Maybe we should wait, like Mike said in a great interview, to let it come down. But how about this idea that young people, millions of people, are looking at our show and making decisions that perhaps they should have bought Tesla when it was $270. A lot of them did. We are far too critical. There's too many people who come on the shows and dismiss these younger people and say they don't know what to do, and then you look at the records, and the records are paltry versus some of these younger people.